Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, we're going to watch a story about online shopping. You'll follow Sam and Mia. Sam ordered something online, but there's a problem. Just sit back, relax, and listen. You don't need to understand every single word. That's completely okay. I'll speak slowly and clearly just for you. So take a breath and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I've one small question for you. Just one. Listen carefully as the story plays and see if you can find the answer. Here's the question. What did Sam order online? Keep that question in your mind as you listen. When the story is over, come back and write your answer in the comments. In English, any way you can. One word is fine. A short sentence is even better. Every time you write in English, your brain gets a little stronger. Are you ready? Let's go.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm okay, but I'm a little worried.
Worried? Why?
I ordered something online. It arrives today.
That's exciting! What did you order?
A jacket. A winter jacket.
A winter jacket sounds nice. Why are you worried?
I think I made a mistake.
What kind of mistake?
I think I ordered the wrong size.
Oh no. What size did you order?
I ordered size small, but I usually wear size medium.
Oh, that's a problem.
I know. I feel so nervous.
Is that the doorbell?
Yes, I think the package is here.
What's a package?
A package is a box. The delivery person brings it.
Oh, I see. So package means a box with your order inside.
Exactly. Let me open the door.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Here it is. The package?
Wow, it's big.
Yes, let's take it inside.
Do you want to open it now?
Yes, but I'm scared.
Why scared?
'Cause I ordered the wrong size. Remember?
Oh, right. Well, let's see. Maybe it's okay.
Okay, here we go. I'm opening the package.
What do you see?
I see the jacket. It's dark blue, very nice.
That's good. Try it on.
Okay, I'll try it on.
What does try it on mean?
Try it on means wear it to see if it fits.
Oh, I see. So you put the jacket on your body.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I'm trying it on now.
How does it feel?
It feels tight.
Tight? What does tight mean?
Tight means not enough space. Too small.
Oh no. So the jacket doesn't fit.
No, I can't even zip it up.
Can't zip it up?
The zipper won't close. It's too small. Oh no.
What happened?
The zipper is stuck.
Stuck?
Yes, it won't move. I can't take the jacket off.
Oh no, really?
Really? I feel so bad. What should I do?
Let me help you.
Please, I can't breathe well.
Hold still. Don't move.
Okay, I'm holding still.
I'm trying to pull the zipper down.
Is it working?
Not yet. Wait. Almost there.
Please hurry.
I'm trying. Be patient.
Okay, I'm patient.
Got it! The zipper is free.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome. Take the jacket off now. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay now. But I feel so stupid.
Don't say that. Mistakes happen.
I ordered the wrong size.
Everyone makes mistakes. Don't worry, it's okay.
Really?
Really. This happens all the time with online shopping.
But now I have the wrong jacket.
That's okay. You can return it.
Return it? What does that mean?
Return means send it back to the store.
Oh, I see. So I send the jacket back.
Yes, and then you can order the right size.
Can I really do that?
Of course. It's very easy. Let me teach you something useful.
Okay, what is it?
When you want to return something, you say this. I'd like to return this item.
I'd like to return this item.
Perfect, say it again.
I'd like to return this item.
Great, that's the phrase you need.
Let me practice. I'd like to return this item.
Good. Now use it in a sentence.
Okay, excuse me. I'd like to return this item.
Excellent. You sound very polite.
Thank you. I feel better now.
See, it's not scary at all. Now write an email to the store.
Okay, what should I write?
Start with Dear Customer Service.
Okay, dear customer service.
Then write, I'd like to return this item.
I'd like to return this item. Perfect.
Now explain the problem. Say, I ordered the wrong size.
Got it. I ordered the wrong size.
Great. Now click send.
I did it! I sent the email.
See, that was easier than you thought.
Yes, you're right. I can't believe I did that.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you for helping me, Mia.
That's what friends are for.
Now I just wait for their reply.
Yes, they'll send you a return label.
A return label?
Yes, a return label is a sticker. You put it on the package, then you send the package back.
Let me think about what I learned today.
Good idea.
I learned the word package. That means a box with my order inside.
Yes, correct.
I also learned try it on. That means wear it to see if it fits.
Very good.
And I learned tight. That means too small. Not enough space.
Perfect.
I also learned return. That means send something back to the store.
Exactly. You learned a lot today.
I feel more confident now. I'm not afraid to shop online anymore.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What did Sam order online? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer. You don't need a perfect sentence. Even just 1 or 2 words is a great start. Every time you write in English, even something small, you're training your brain. You're making progress. In today's video, you learned many useful words like package, try it on, tight, zipper, stuck, return and return label. These are real words that real people use every day, and now they belong to you. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories because I believe that learning English should feel good, not stressful. I'll keep making videos like this, just for you. So if this video helped you, even a little, please subscribe so you never miss a new story. And a like means a lot. It helps more beginners find this channel and feel less alone. All right, that's all for today. You did something good for yourself by watching this. I'm proud of you. See you in the next story. Bye.